Welcome back, subscribers, and a warm welcome to all the new subscribers to Repair Our Health. If you're tired of fine lines and wrinkles and want to rejuvenate your skin naturally, you're in the right place. I'm going to share a 7-day facial rejuvenation challenge that can make you look and feel years younger in just 1 week, all with natural methods. No expensive creams, no injections, just powerful, time-tested techniques that really work. Imagine fading away wrinkles and waking up each day to a brighter, firmer face. Sounds amazing, right? Well, before we jump in, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to join our community here at Repair Our Health. All right, let's dive into this 7-day journey to younger-looking skin. Follow these steps with me, and by the end of the week, trust me, you'll see a real difference in your skin. Day 1. We begin with a step that's simple but incredibly powerful. Hydration, inside and out. Start your morning with a big glass of water. Add a squeeze of lemon for an extra boost if you like. When your body is well hydrated, your skin cells plump up. In fact, one study found that adding about 2 liters of water per day significantly improved skin hydration and even increased skin elasticity. More hydration means skin that's fuller and fine lines that are less noticeable. Next, hydrate from the outside. After gently cleansing your face, apply a good moisturizer or a few drops of a natural oil like jojoba or almond to your skin. Don't skip this step. Even plain moisturizer can instantly improve the look of your skin by plumping it up, making wrinkles less visible. Take a moment to massage the moisturizer in and let it fully absorb. Think of a grape versus a raisin. A grape is plump and smooth because it's full of water. A raisin is wrinkled because it's dehydrated. Hydration literally fills out your skin, helping to smooth away those creases. By deeply hydrating today, you're setting the stage for all the other rejuvenating steps to come. Day 2 is all about exfoliation, removing that layer of dull, dead skin cells on the surface. Clearing away those dead cells reveals fresh, new skin and helps the rest of our routine work better. And you don't need harsh scrubs to do it. We'll use a gentle, natural exfoliant plain yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, a mild alpha-hydroxy acid that dissolves dead skin cells. Regular use can brighten your complexion and soften fine lines. Here's how. Take about a tablespoon of plain yogurt and smooth it in a thin layer over your clean face. Leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. You might feel a slight tingle as it works. Then gently massage your skin with your fingertips for a minute and rinse off with lukewarm water. Pat dry. Your skin will feel instantly smoother and look more radiant. By lifting away that dull top layer, you're unveiling younger, glowing skin underneath. This gives you a healthy glow and makes fine lines less pronounced. If you do this in the morning, remember to put on a bit of sunscreen before heading out, since freshly exfoliated skin can be a tad more sun-sensitive. As we age, our skin's natural turnover slows down. Dead cells hang around longer and accentuate wrinkles. Gently exfoliating speeds up cell turnover and even signals your skin to produce new collagen as it repairs. In short, you're jump-starting your skin's renewal process. All the steps that follow will penetrate deeper and work even better. On day 3, we're doing facial exercises. Glide your fingers across your forehead to tone the muscles under your skin. Repeat these steps 10 times for a better results. Just like exercising your body keeps you firm, exercising your face can naturally lift and tighten your features. In fact, a study found that women who did daily facial exercises for 20 weeks ended up looking about 3 years younger. That's a huge result. Now let's start. Step 1. The cheek lifter exercise to target sagging cheeks and laugh lines. Repeat these steps for better results. Step 2. Open your mouth to form an O and fold your upper lip over your teeth. Now smile with the corners of your mouth to lift your cheek muscles. You should feel your cheeks engaging. Step 3. Place your index fingers lightly on the top of each cheek, just under your eyes, to add a little resistance. Step 4. Close your mouth, then slowly push the air to the right, then to the left. Repeat this 10 times for a better results. Step 5. On the last repetition, hold your cheeks up for 5 seconds, then relax. You might feel a slight burn in your cheek muscles. That's a good sign. You're strengthening those muscles. Over time, stronger cheek muscles will give your face a firmer, more lifted look, like a mini facelift from within. Try to do these exercises today and each day moving forward, and repeat each exercise 10 times for better results. It only takes a minute, so you can fit it in while doing your house chores or relaxing watching TV. Think of it as yoga for your face. Keeping those facial muscles toned gives your skin a sturdy foundation, which means a tighter, smoother face over the long run. Consistency is key. The more regularly you do these little workouts, the more you'll see results. Day 4 is about pampering your skin and releasing tension with a facial massage. This will increase blood flow in your face and help drain any puffiness, giving you an instant glow and a natural lift. Why massage? We hold a lot of tension in our faces. Furrowed brows, clenched jaws. Over time, tight muscles can form deeper lines. Massage helps release those tight muscles and smooth out stress lines. It also boosts circulation, bringing nutrient-rich blood to the skin, and encourages lymphatic drainage to reduce puffiness. A face yoga expert says that just releasing facial tension and increasing blood and lymph flow can lead to great improvements. In other words, massage helps your skin get more of the good stuff, oxygen and nutrients, and flush out the bad stuff, toxins. How to do it? First, start with clean skin and hands. Rub a few drops of a natural oil like coconut or almond oil between your palms and apply it to your face for slip. Now, using your fingertips, massage your face with gentle upward and outward motions. Smooth your forehead by gliding your fingers from the center out to the temples. Use your knuckles or thumbs to slide from your chin along the jawline up to your ears. Then continue up the cheeks. Then gently tap around your eyes with your ring fingers. To help drain any fluid, be very gentle here. Sweep upwards on your neck, from the base, upwards 10 times. Optional. If you have a jade roller or gua sha stone, you can use that instead of your fingers. Just be gentle and use the same upward motions. Do this for about 3 to 5 minutes. Make sure to breathe deeply and enjoy the process. It should feel relaxing. You'll likely notice your skin warming up and maybe turning a little pink. That's the increased blood flow. Enjoy the process and breathe slowly as you do it. When you finish, your face will feel relaxed and look a bit more radiant. By doing this regularly, you're preventing tension from etching lines on your face. It's like a natural Botox. Instead of freezing muscles, we're relaxing them. Less tension now means fewer wrinkles later. Plus, all that improved circulation gives your skin cells more nutrients, which over time can boost your skin's firmness. Massaging after applying your serums or creams helps them absorb deeper into your skin. It's day 5 and time to give your skin a direct dose of nutrients with a homemade face mask. We're using simple kitchen ingredients that will tighten, hydrate, and brighten your skin. Youthful Glow Mask. In a small bowl, combine 1 egg white. This helps tighten and firm your skin as it dries. 1 teaspoon raw honey, a natural humectant to draw in moisture with antioxidants to heal. A few drops of lemon juice, rich in vitamin C to brighten and support collagen. If your skin is very sensitive, you can skip the lemon. Whisk them together, then apply the mixture evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Let it sit for about 15 minutes until it dries. You'll feel a gentle tightness, that's the egg white at work. After 15 minutes, rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel softer and a bit more firm immediately. Why does this work? Egg white forms a temporary tightening film on your skin. Honey is deeply moisturizing and has been shown to keep skin youthful and even help slow wrinkle formation. Lemon juice brings in vitamin C, which brightens and helps build collagen. It's a mini facial that leaves your skin nourished and revitalized. You can do a mask like this once a week to maintain your results. It's a nice self-care treat that keeps your skin glowing. By day 6, we need to talk about 2 huge factors in aging: sleep and stress. You can apply all the products in the world, but if you're sleep deprived or constantly stressed, it will show on your face. So tonight, we focus on inner healing, getting quality sleep and relaxing your mind. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of good sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including your skin. One study found that people who got quality sleep had significantly fewer signs of skin aging compared to those who didn't. When you sleep, your skin is busy producing collagen and undoing daily damage. So make your bedroom a sleep-friendly zone. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. If you can, avoid screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. That will help you fall into a deeper, more restorative sleep. Tonight, let sleep work its magic on your skin. De-stress. Before bed, take 10 minutes to unwind and let go of the day's stress. High stress leads to high cortisol, a hormone that can break down collagen and create more wrinkles. So do some deep breathing, meditation, or gentle stretching, whatever relaxes you. You could even play some soft calming music or diffuse a bit of lavender oil to set a relaxing mood. As you relax, your cortisol levels drop, which means your skin can regenerate more effectively. You'll not only sleep better, but you'll also wake up looking more refreshed. Nourish from within. Also, be mindful of your diet as we finish out this week. Try to eat plenty of vitamin C-rich fruits and veggies like citrus, berries, and bell peppers today. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production. And try to cut back on sugar. Too much sugar in your system causes something called glycation. Basically, sugar molecules bind to collagen and make it stiff, leading to wrinkles. So, skip the sugary snacks if you can. Maybe have some green tea packed with antioxidants or nuts instead. Little choices like this help your skin from the inside out. Tonight, get that beauty sleep. You've put in so much effort caring for your skin. Now let your body do its repair work overnight. Tomorrow is day 7, and you'll wake up ready for our final step. You made it to day 7. Congratulations on sticking with it. For our final step, we're giving your skin a soothing, collagen-boosting treat with aloe vera. Aloe vera is a plant famous for its healing and anti-aging properties. If you have a fresh aloe leaf, cut it open and scoop out the gel. If not, use pure 100% aloe gel from the store. Smooth that cool gel all over your face and neck. Leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You can even sleep with it on if you'd like. Aloe vera is ultra-hydrating and full of vitamins and antioxidants. Research has shown that aloe can significantly improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles by boosting collagen production. After about 20 minutes, rinse off the aloe if there's any sticky residue or just let it absorb. Your skin will feel calm, hydrated and plump. Aloe vera helps to draw moisture into the skin and can speed up cell repair. It's a perfect way to end our week by calming any irritation and giving your face that final drink of hydration. Look in the mirror now. After 7 days of this routine, you should see a difference. Perhaps your skin is brighter and better hydrated. Some fine lines may have faded or softened. Overall, your face likely looks more refreshed and alive. It's not an overnight miracle, but it is real, noticeable improvement achieved naturally in just 1 week. You've proven that with the right habits, you can visibly improve your skin in no time. Going forward, this 7-day challenge may be over, but your new skincare journey is just beginning. Try to continue these habits beyond this week. You don't have to do every single thing every day, but keep a consistent routine that works for you. Maybe daily hydration and face yoga with a mask or exfoliation once a week. Over time, these healthy habits will keep your skin improving even more. And one more thing. Make sure you protect your skin from the sun each day. All these efforts can be quickly undone by UV damage. So apply a natural sunscreen every morning. Your future self will thank you. The longer you stick with these habits, the more your skin will reward you. Before we wrap up, a quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor or dermatologist, and this video is for informational purposes. Everyone's skin is different. While these natural tips are generally safe, remember to listen to your body. If something irritates your skin, stop using it. If you have specific skin conditions or concerns, consult a skincare professional, and always do a small patch test when trying a new natural ingredient like that lemon or aloe to ensure you don't have an allergy. Take care and be safe while you pursue your skin goals. Look at that glow. You did it! I'm so proud of you for committing to this challenge and taking time for yourself. 7 days of caring for your skin, and it shows. Remember, anti-aging isn't about perfection or trying to look 20 again. It's about caring for yourself and feeling confident. By following this challenge, you've given your skin so much love, and it's responding with a healthy radiance. If you found this 7-day challenge helpful, please tap that like button and let me know in the comments what changes you noticed in your skin. I'd love to hear your results. And be sure to subscribe to Repair Our Health for more natural health and anti-aging videos every week. Feel free to share this video with a friend who would love to try this 7-day challenge too. To keep the momentum going, I recommend you watch 5 oils that erase wrinkles fast, turn back time naturally. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay glowing, and remember, you have the power to repair your health. See you in the next video.